The reaction is given when we add this reagent in this compound, we get Grignard reagent. Key point about this reaction is preparation of Grignard reagent. This reaction also called metal halogen exchange reaction. During this reaction, metal carbon bond will be formed. Here, the metal will possess positive charge and carbon possess negative charge. The lifetime of Grignard reagent is very short. The carbon bromine or carbon halogen bond will be break and carbon metal bond will be formed. The second reaction is the addition of carbon monoxide and followed by hydrolysis. Here magnesium bear positive charge, carbon bear negative charge. That's why it is the good nucleophile. Now this carbon attack this electrophilic carbonyl carbon and carbon oxygen move break and oxygen bear negative charge. This carbon carbon bond will form. Hydrolysis will be happen. This oxygen will be protonated. The carboxylate ion convert into carboxylic acid and the acidic hydrolysis here this acetyl group also hydrolyzed. How? See. Now during the hydrolysis H plus is available. This is called acetal. Acetal means carbon is attached with two ether group and that's called acetal. If one OH group and one ether group is connected with same carbon, it is called hemiacetal. Oxygen has lone pair, it will abstract this proton and oxygen bear positive charge. Carbon oxygen bond will be break and this second oxygen give its lone pair. This bond is break. That's why this positive charge also eliminated and this oxygen gave its lone pair. That's why here double bond is present and oxygen bear positive charge. H2O still now available in reaction. That's why water attack this carbon. Okay, and this carbon oxygen bond will be break and the positive charge on oxygen will be eliminated and finally we get aldehyde and 1,2-diol. Now we can write after acidic hydrolysis acetal convert into aldehyde. Third reagent is AgNO3. This reagent can be convert aldehyde into acid because this reagent is called Tollens reagent and this is the Tollens test. In Tollens test only aldehyde react with AgNO3 and it will convert into carboxylic acid. And after hydrolysis when we add H3O plus then oxygen will be protonated and finally we get 1,4 dicarboxylic acid